Vinyl lovers here. Today we compare the best turntable models and discover which one will be the best choice for your collection. Classic analog feel or a model equipped with modern technology? Which turntable stands out in terms of sound quality, design, ease of use, and extra features? If you want to listen to your music at its best, this video is for you. Let's take a look at the best turntable models together. Number 5. House of Marley Revolution. House of Marley Revolution is an eco-friendly and stylish turntable designed for music lovers. With its 100% recycled bamboo veneer design, it not only looks great, but also offers a sustainable option. Built-in Bluetooth allows instant connection to wireless speakers or headphones, so you can enjoy vinyl anywhere. The automatic belt drive system plays different vinyl formats flawlessly with 33 and 45 RPM speed support. The Audio-Technica needle offers a warm and detailed sound performance, while the built-in preamp means it's ready to use immediately without the need for extra equipment. It can also be connected to external speaker systems via the RCA output, so you can enjoy a powerful sound experience at home. Thanks to the anti-vibration feed on it, it provides stability even at the highest volume levels. It makes the record listening experience effortless with its user-friendly controls. House of Marley Revolution is the perfect choice for those who want to combine nostalgia with modern technology. Number 4. Fluance RT81. Fluance RT81 is a premium quality turntable designed for true music lovers. With its high-density MDF casing and solid wood veneer, it has both a stylish and durable design. The Audio-Technica AT-95E magnetic cartridge delivers a detailed and balanced sound performance. Its belt-driven motor enables record playback at 33 and 45 RPM speeds, while its aluminum turntable and rubber belt minimize vibration. With the built-in preamp feature, you can connect it directly to speakers or amplifier without the need for extra equipment. While offering flexible connection options with RCA outputs, it provides a completely analog experience with manual arm control. Thanks to the automatic stop function, the turntable stops automatically when the record is finished, prolonging the life of the needle. Fluance RT81, which brings the pleasure of listening to music to the top with its soft and warm tones, is a great choice for those who want to experience analog sound in its purest form. It also offers a smooth listening experience without being affected by vibrations, thanks to its special anti-resonance feed, a perfect choice for both beginners and experienced collectors. Number 3. Cambridge Audio Alva TTV2. Cambridge Audio Alva TTV2 is a premium turntable that combines superior sound quality and modern technology. With the built-in aptX HD Bluetooth connection, you can wirelessly transfer high-resolution audio and listen to your favorite records with any Bluetooth speaker or headphones. The direct drive motor system delivers music in its purest form with precise and stable rotation at 33 and 45 RPM. The aluminum tone arm combines with a specially tuned MC moving coil cartridge to deliver a rich, detailed, and balanced sound. The built-in high-quality preamp allows you to connect directly without the need for an external amplifier. If you want to use your own preamp, you can disable the built-in preamp with a single button. The sturdy aluminum and wood veneer design is both stylish and durable. With its anti-vibration rubber feet, it minimizes vibration and delivers pure analog sound at its best. With Cambridge Audio's signature clean and natural sound character, the Alva TTV2 is a great choice for both classic vinyl fans and modern music listeners. Number 2. Audio-Technica AT-LP70XBT. Audio-Technica is a great turntable that combines the joy of analog music with modern technology. You can listen to your vinyl records freely with speakers or headphones by connecting wirelessly with the built-in Bluetooth feature. The fully automatic belt-driven system provides a smooth and stable rotation at 33 and 45 RPM speeds, presenting your music at its best. Equipped with ATHS 4-head shell and ATVM 95E cartridge, the aluminum tone arm delivers a clean, detailed, and balanced sound performance. Thanks to the built-in phono preamp, you can connect directly to speakers or amplifiers, or you can adjust your own sound settings with an external preamp. The lightweight yet robust aluminum turntable minimizes vibrations for a clear and pristine sound experience. It adds a stylish touch to every environment with its black and silver color options. A great choice for both those who are just discovering their vinyl collection and those who want a practical turntable for everyday use. Number 1. Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo. A premium turntable that takes the analog music experience to the highest level. The 8.6-inch carbon fiber tone arm offers a precise tracking performance with its lighter and sturdier structure, allowing you to capture even the finest musical details. The Audiophile 2M Red cartridge delivers a rich and balanced sound profile, making every note sound crystal clear. With its fully anti-vibration, metal feet, and heavy steel plate, it offers a perfect sound experience by eliminating unwanted resonances. With 33, 45, and 78 RPM speed support, you can play all kinds of records comfortably. And thanks to the electronic speed control, you can change the rotation speed with a single button. The belt-driven motor and advanced suspension system provide ultra-stable rotation, minimizing distortions. The special TPE, thermoplastic elastomer, coated turntable allows your records to play more smoothly and naturally. Debut Carbon Evo, which adds a premium atmosphere to every music lover's home with its stylish and minimalist design, is a great option for both beginner collectors and hi-fi enthusiasts.